Hey, how you doing? This is Kareem Williams from Keeping It Real with Lefty, and we got another food review. Ha ha!
Gotta eat. Don't play none. Nah, don't play none. Nah, I ain't with the games none. No time to lay up. Gotta get this cake up. Yeah, I gotta get my pay up. Bet I'll make a way up. They said I couldn't, but I'm way up. That's what real made of. You gotta take it. In the field every day, cuz gotta eat. Gotta get to the bag. My hustle is crazy, it's mad. You is lame and it's sad. You plain and you bland.
We are at one of my favorite spots, Popeyes, and we are about to chow down on the new Blackened Chicken Sandwich that Popeye just released. I'm so excited to try this sandwich. But before I do that, I want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by a hip-hop artist named Blaze. He just dropped a single called Eats. It's on YouTube, it's on fire. I'll have the link in the description so you guys can check it out. I know you're probably looking at B-roll of the video right now. As you can see, this video is phenomenal. It's off the chain, it's a game changer. Please believe it, please. You gotta take care and support the sponsors. But we're here for the food today. We are here for the food today. So we have rice and beans, we have the macaroni and cheese that I haven't tried yet, and then we have a specialty drink, which is a strawberry lemonade tea that Popeyes just released. Super excited to try this because not a lot of people have tried this already, and it's going to be a game changer. So, without further ado, let's get into it. We'll go with the mac and cheese first. As you guys can see, that is very cheesy. I wasn't expecting this quality of mac and cheese from Popeyes. But Popeyes, you have surprised me with the mac and cheese. Game changer. Off the chizang. Please believe it, please. Holla if you can't, do don't bother. Let's move on to the rice and beans. Now the rice and beans are a staple with Popeyes every time I come to Popeyes to eat. It's very important for me to get rice and beans, you know? And as always, folks, they don't disappoint. 10 out of 10 out of 10 every time with the rice and beans. Please believe it, please. Game changer. A little thirsty now. Okay. I like it. Not the best strawberry lemonade I've ever had in my life, but I like it. It works. It works. Now let's get into the reason why everybody's watching. This bad boy right here. Now, just to let you know, this sandwich does come with mayonnaise and pickles. I opted to get mayonnaise not on my sandwich because I don't eat mayonnaise. So it's just the pickles, the meat, and then the bruschetta bread, or whatever the bread is called. So let's take a bite. That grill flavor and the herbs and spices that are in this meat has me floored right now. Floored. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Let's get a bite with the pickle. This is a nice sized piece of meat. Nice sized piece of meat. That has to be one of the best sandwiches that Popeyes have came out with in probably the last 2 to 5 years. Please believe it, please. This sandwich should definitely increase their sales. This sandwich should definitely bring a lot of new people into trying Popeyes, because this is something that is great. Now, I will say, they have a spicy version also. I don't eat spicy, but you're welcome to try the spicy version. Ooh, that went fast. And there we have it, guys. This has been the experience. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me, have you tried the Blackened Chicken Sandwich? What was your experience? The hospitality at the store that I am at, which is at 32nd Street in Indian School. I will be putting the address in the description. The hospitality was lovely. Very friendly people. They greet you when you come into the door. Again, getting quality customer service at a fast food place is like a dinosaur nowadays. So this place, giving the customer service that they give is phenomenal. And for them, the way they treat their customers is phenomenal. They understand customer service business. And I will always support this Popeyes franchise here on 32nd Street in Indian School. And if I was you, I would support this one too. Please believe it, please. Holler if you can't, then don't bother. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video, my God. Video. Aha!
Don't play none. Nah, don't play none. Nah, I ain't with the games none. No time to lay up. Gotta get this cake up. Yeah, I gotta get my pay up. Bet I'll make a way up. They said I couldn't, but I'm way up. That's what real made of. You wanna gotta take it in the field every day, cuz gotta eat.